Hello, this is me again for this 10th video, and right now it's about 3:40 in the afternoon, and this is your cameraman Daniel again. For January 23rd, 2023, and it's still working. Maybe, I hope, after they leave, maybe we can get like aftermath when they gone. Someone's van parked over there? I don't know. It's gotta be from Amazon or something. I don't order anything on Amazon. I might be doing that very soon for getting my girlfriend Angelica's items, because I gotta go depend on my family member who lives out in Yonkers. I don't have an Amazon account. It's none of my business. The only thing I have is just eBay, and then that's it. A peace of mind. A peace of mind. There's a school bus. And the trucks were used to be over here. It's moved over here now. Yep. Now I can get like this more room, and when I walk over there, over the hill. Here's how we was going to Kansas, like the Wizard of Oz. God, I love this. Oh boy! Robert Englund, Freddy Krueger, and those Nightmare on Elm Street movies from the 80s. God, I don't know why my brother used to scare me with these Nightmare on Elm Street movies back then. Yeah. I didn't know about that till I was 9. He was starting to get those Nightmare on Elm Street movies. I know they had some comedy twist. And then the horror climax with the killing people. Yeah. I know I couldn't bring that to school or day have back then, because I might scare these consumers. I know. Yeah, spread out. They're putting up some more things for like the other side, for like the roof. So, folks, I hope you enjoyed this 10th video of the construction on January 23rd, 2023. Maybe I'll see you a little bit later for more actions about the construction. Hopefully, a little bit later we'll do aftermath. Till then, please try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like other videos about like the construction. I'll see you later, and we'll keep you posted. Bye.